Twitter, and we are slowly going to be streaming on YouTube. Sending data, I don't know what that means. Okay, so let me try. So am I live on Twitter? Okay, I don't see anything. So go to profile. Yes, I am live on Twitter. Okay, so I can share. Alright, and then I am live on YouTube. Okay, am I live on YouTube? Oh, this is on YouTube. Anyway, I'm pretty sure I'm live. I must be live on YouTube.
Way to
Okay. You can go to YouTube channel, you'll see me. You see me? Okay, good. Alright, cool. Let's do it. So I'm working on, you know, the good thing about this also, I can speak to myself. I'm not speaking to myself anymore. Speaking to the void, I guess. So it's good. At least it doesn't look as weird as it usually is when I speak to myself. Anyway, alrighty. Let's see. What am I doing? Go back to Restream. I'm streaming everywhere. Right? Yes, I'm streaming everywhere. Okay, let's go. Cool. So what are we doing? So I want to get Sidekick to do some really fancy stuff. Okay, cool. So what do I mean by this? So I have this idea about managing your environment variables, right? Because a lot of times when you're hosting stuff on your private VBS, the way you manage it is really terrible. A lot of mistakes happen. So the idea is that instead of you having to mess around with that, we can get Sidekick not only to host your apps, but also to rid you of the guilt of having to manage your own environment. Okay, so my idea, I think I tried this out before. We are going to use SOPs with Age, right? So that's the whole kind of like gem there. So let me just spin up a droplet and then set it up. And then we can start playing with a couple of things. So let's see. Yep. So let's go. Alright, let's do this. Let's give this guy some time to spin up. Obviously, this is old. I don't know what this is. Old keyterm documentation, so we don't need that now. I have no idea what this is. It must be old. Silver Bullet, don't care. Abandonment, self-hosted, don't care. Abandonment. Docker Hub, actually, maybe Docker Hub, I need to make things. Customize socks, no, we need that. Oops, I need that. I don't know what this is. Argue needed, using subs with Argue. The best environment. I've done this before. So now I think what we could do is start out with a simple one. Do I have a testing app? I do have a testing app, cool. So go into the test app. Yeah, I remember I had okay, is it running? No, it's not running. Okay, cool. So let's just simplify the problem first. We need to pass a normal environment variable first, get it live, and then after passing normal environment variable, we can figure out what's up with the. We can figure out how to get it done securely, right? Yeah. So let's do that step by step, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So let me just delete this because I don't remember what this is. To be honest, let's delete this as well. Happy days. Okay, this is OBS, don't care. Get this time. Alright, let me. I don't remember what I did here, man. Just delete this. Yeah. I think inside here we had a Docker file, pages underscore, and then we have below the JSC. And what I did was I passed an environment variable there. Let me also so I can get set up this time. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna do this. If somebody is actually watching, this is how you would set up a new server with Sidekick. You just the address. Yes, this is my username and login. Cool. Let's go. So that will sign into the VPS. It will set it up, set up Docker, it will set up the first proxy with traffic. And if we will get any others assigned. So let's see. Cool. So I think we need to add this guy. No, we don't really care about that much. We need to do this one. This is important. And I think I've already done that. So never mind this one now. Yeah. So let's go to the command launch and then local control file. Yep, that's the way. Okay. Why? I'm fine. Huh? Package called command initialization. Okay. Okay. Got it. And then the title. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is just set up now, so it's perfect. I don't know what's happening here, so I guess what I'm gonna do is just because I also don't remember what I did last time. Just delete the test app. This is good. I don't know what's happening here. Let's just close everything, shut down everything, get out of Helix. Yep, so this is all good. Let's start Helix again and then open up launch. All good. I don't know. Maybe it had a hiccup or something. Happy days. Okay, let me think. So we need to pass environment variables, open up types. Open this on this side, open up this side here. Yes, so we need to be able to add environments to the Docker service. Alright, so I think it's like this environment. Yes, and then this environment is basically yeah. So it's basically the same structure as network and ports. Yeah, fine. And then this YAML is actually coming from environment. Make sure to image it is empty. And that's it. Happy days. So now we can add this guy. So let's go to where we define the Docker service. It sucks. How do you do this? How do you code it? Q? Yeah, so here we can do environment, and then we need the way to parse, we need a way to parse it. Yeah, let's just do the transparent ones first. But basically, yeah, let's just hard code it first. Yes, let's hard code it first. That's right. So what I'm trying to get at is, let me see that structure. Yeah, this is what I'm trying to do. Okay, so I'm trying to, I'm not sure if this is going to be, it's a string. Yes, it's a string, right? So yeah, I got it. So func.string f, yes, like that. And then we need to return the string, and then equals, and then equals like this, and then another string. Yep, that's the format. And then inside here, we have two strings. I am actually going to hard code this one here. We'll just do that public next demo. We'll do it again. Public next demo. Yeah, like that. So this, in theory, what this will do is that it's going to, what this will do is that it's going to pass environment variables into the Docker file, into the Docker container, which is exactly what we want. Happy days there. So this should, generally speaking, work, right? And then later, You can type the safe environment where you pass it along. That's cool. Okay, cool. Show me that. What happened? I didn't start. Yes, environment thing. Environment thing. New. This is the image folder. Search for local service database. That's the environment, and then I'm just doing public next, because that's what I remember. Yeah, that makes sense. Cool. Happy days. Now, go to what? Okay. Yeah. So npx. No. npx create next app with Docker. That's the app. Yeah, let's go. Yep, I'm there. Let's do
كبير سوالي برجر كان طعمه مرة خطير
it. Oh,
أبا في مشكل ما حدا كفيل هذا أقول يا حيوان يا برات هذا
cool.
ما في شوف
Now,
كرتون لا ما في يمسك ايفون لا ماما نريد اجيب
okay. Now go into
بوكيمون
the test app.
انا نو
Show
انا
me what's
نو انا
happening.
نو هذا لازم اجيب بوكيمون ناو
Okay,
لازم انا
stop. This is your we don't have an restaurant. So I'm going to do this, and then let's just replace this guy here. Let's replace, uh, let's just say var, var equal process, or where's the old process, and the public, uh, public not demo. Right? And that will pass this across. Now, I need to make sure this is fine. Let's build it. Yeah, so just docker build, tag it with fe, oops, tag first. We have this image, that's fantastic. So let's build it, and then pass it, and then actually I'm quite sure about this though. I am quite sure about this. And then we can shut it down, and then pass it in. And if that works, then it should work with other ones. Yeah, I don't see the point of trying this out locally first. Test it right away and sorry. It's fine. I think it's fine. Famous last words. I think it's fine. Famous last words. Let's go. Where's Docker? Docker tab. Famous last words. Let me just clean things up because it's not very clean. It's fast and stuff like that. Let me just delete it. Actually, I don't have time for this. Let's just delete this. Maybe to do this, but I have issues. Like so delete this actually because of my tendency to try to simplify things, make sure I'm not going to this repository forever. Sounds very scary. Okay, delete this img. That was an image project. That was technical, and that was a fast API project. Which is cool, I guess. Boom. That looks good now. So let's let's do this actually. Let's just wait. So in your Docker, there's already a Docker compose. What? I was testing with this Docker compose. Right. If you don't find the way to map it out, I actually don't think that's needed. I don't think that's needed because traffic just reached down. So next public demo for next public demo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'm expecting to have this without the pulse. I don't think the pulse will. Yeah, with the Docker file doesn't expose anything. Which is actually exposed. You can't find anything exposed. Oh, it is there. And oh, this is me adding it. Okay, where's the Docker file? No. Okay, cool. Yeah. Oh man, I hate this. Okay. Cool. Yeah, let's go into test app and then just launch something. Let's go. Friendly name. Let's just call it next. Um, yes. Yes. Let's just wait for it. So, Sidekick is going to do some magic for us here, which is basically that we are going to build a Docker image, push it, and then make a proper Docker compose folder file. And then not only that, we are also going to um, spin it up basically. And just wait for all this magic to happen. Then I'm actually, oh, I have to do the magic. It's crazy. It's crazy, y'all. Cool. Um, so let's wait for this second. Actually, okay, maybe let me just give some context for people who are actually watching. So I ran Sidekick in it, and that really set up everything for me on my VPS. And what this is doing is that it's basically building a Docker image. No, this is taking a bit too long. Hopefully it's not long. And then it will push that Docker image, and then once that gets pushed, I should be able to pull that in and build this guy on basically Docker bug. Docker hub. Yeah, basically. Oh, Docker hub. And I can basically spin this right away there. What's happening? Okay. Damn, something went wrong. Cool. Not cool at all, actually. Let me just try this again. Docker file, utility file exists. Analyzing Docker file, it hasn't exposed, you got that, enter the URL, so did we do this? Oh, still we did. Okay, Docker dash compose inside this app. Oh, okay. Wow. Wait, I don't understand. How did you skip that one? Font sprint app. This equals this public next demo to public next demo. What? Image ports. Oh, something's wrong. But this is the old version. My bad. I need to go install this. I keep forgetting about this. Dang it, son. I might actually have to wipe the whole. Let me try something first. See how far it went. So SSH into this one. Yep. What do we have here? No, we good. We good. We don't have a folder for the project. We good. Cool. Happy days. So now I have actually installed the latest version where I have added this. Let's actually do that again. Test app and then Sidekick launch again. Again, what's happening here is that we're detecting local file. We are going to do the same thing again because we haven't done anything on 3000. Yep, deploy it there. All right, let's sit back, works, and then hope it works this time. So again, we are building the Docker image and pushing it. No, I think something will go wrong for some reason. Let's see. Because I don't see any. Actually, should really increase the visibility about this Docker image stuff. I don't know. It's a bit annoying. Let me see. All right, here we go. We pushed it. Let's go. Let's go. Hopefully, no other errors. But that's looking good. I think we have a problem. What have we done now? Open up another one. I cleaned up the cache. Ugh, I hate this. Let me see. What was the... Let's look around the script file, and then we can just expose the output here. Look up the std equals was with std oops, boom boom. No, here, boom boom. Thank you, boom boom boom, and then this is std out. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, cool. Thank you for disappointing me. It's a beautiful experience. Let's do that again, but let's not forget to install the latest first. So set up, go install that. Let's undo that, test that. Let's go here, and then let's just do Sidekick once again. Let me see. Yep. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Yep. Here we go. Show me what's happening, my man. Yep. Doing all this weird Next.js stuff. Don't care. Alright, I didn't run... Oh, okay, that should be fine. Quality dependencies. Yep. Running explode. I really like this UI thing. I use it in Sidekick, but I don't know how to do it. I need to figure it out. Maybe ask them to write it or something. Boom. Let's go. Okay. Man, it's an empty Next.js app with one page. It's taking all this time to build. I don't know what to say. Let me see. Okay, let's go. What's happening? It's building. Oh, I think I know what's happening. Oh, I know what's happening. Oh, damn. I think I know what's happening. Yeah, I think I know what's happening. It's like my Mac Mini is just being smashed because I have OBS running. Yeah, that's not fun. Okay, cool. Anyway, it's a bit slow. Here we go. Public? Yes, thank you. That's awesome. Let's do that. I love that. That's great. That's actually fantastic because that's exactly what I want, right? And then let's just SSH into it again. I'll fix that. That's fine. And then show me here. Yep. Go into next now. Beautiful. Now, what we have here, ls, yes. This is your Docker Compose. And then you run that Docker Compose, my man. Yeah, don't worry. Come on. Yes. So, yep. Okay. Okay, this is not Helix. I really want to install Helix. Anyway, yes, cool. And then it complained that this doesn't exist, which is exactly what I want, right? Now, what I'm going to do is basically boom. So Docker Compose up, yep. So let's do this. So let's export public, yes, public next, demo to equal, yep, and Docker Compose dash project first. Let's go Sidekick project, and then up dash D. Yep, let's do that. Public next name variable is not set. Defaulting to blank. Defaulting to a blank string. Additional property. Project next. Damn. Ah, kidding me. Your focus is here. Bro. This is end to end. I should do it. Really? Additional property environments is now 9. Additional property public next. Okay, I don't understand this very well. So if I do this, public next demo equals and then just go like docker compose dash b Sidekick publishing. Additional property environments is not enough. That's disgusting. Hi, I local additional property. So what does that mean? Is it like because there are other stuff in the environment? Because that's not fun. I've been trying to figure out what's happening. I don't really get it. Yeah. This is not a valid composed by lax the text again. It is. So just when everything will be easy. What are you talking about? Services, additional property of the system. Please use insert. Oh, come on, dude. What is one of the English until the environment is sometimes. What? What? Did I misspell environment? What? What are you talking about? Even the whole composer. Karami das what's happening? Oh my god. Ah, I hate this. Can't believe it. Okay, cool. We can keep going. It's embarrassing, but we can keep going. Ah, that was fun. All right, we're doing it. Yes, we're doing it. Let's go. Yes. This is fine. All right, cool. So the idea now is that I have just deployed this app. So if I go like this, next dot, the S slip the file. I should see my application running. Ugh, okay, it takes time to run it. It's fine. Do that again. Oh, really? Why? Local control logs. Oh. Ooh. Okay. So last time I've tested this kind of work. I think I know what's happening because you have not never composed that. No resources found. Remove for the project next. Yes. Never composed. Uh, I'm confused. Local compose dash D sidekick down. Okay, cool. That's terrible. I need to. Let's do that again. Local compose up. Local compose dash D. That's not from here. Go out. Go into sidekick traffic. And then run this lengthy one. Local compose dash F. Yes, that's right. And then dash D sidekick. Cool. So now the project is up. Go back and go into next. That's fine. What do we have here? That's fine. And then Vim that guy. I forgot to add the quotes, so it wasn't actually exposed. So let's do that. And I told you we need the quotes. You said no. So quotes, and then system out. Before that, 3,000 to 3,000. Save this and exit. Happy days. Should in principle work now. Local compose that piece can up dash found open containers. I understand. If you remove this now, the server, you can run this command with dash remove open to clear it. Well, too late. Still. In the line? No, I'm not. How fantastic. Oh, are you serious? Yeah, this is not my best day. This is not my finest hour. This is I swear I'm better than this. There we go. I swear I'm better than this. So, let's go. Okay, cool. All right, so we made a couple of mistakes. I actually want to check something, so it's working now. So we got that deployed, and it looks good. I am going to Sidekick. Next, stop that. Thank you. Go for PS. Thank you. Please, could you please? No? Okay, whatever. Um, Now let's vim. Actually, yeah. Let's vim into Docker Compose again. Now, I don't think this is needed, my friend. So I really don't think so. Because traffic will do the work for you here. So I don't think it's needed. Let's do it again. Docker Compose dash p sidekick up HD. Yes. Don't care. Let's refresh this. All right. Yeah, that's what I mean. So it's still reachable, right? Here we go. Okay, go. Go. Look at compose. Right, so basically, we are not missing anything in the Docker compose file that we made locally. I think it's fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. So let's just log in. Okay, this is fine. Now what I want to do, that's fine. What I actually want to do now is get this be driven by the environment file first, and then we can work on encryption. Cool. So what? So what? Let's commit this. Actually, I don't care. That's not matter. So let me think. Yeah. I think I know what I did wrong here. Open up pipes. I need to fix that. Here we go. That word here. I guess not like this. Yeah, environment. That's not working. Environment. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let me think. So we need to basically capture if there is an N file. On CLST. Yeah. So if wait, how is there no? What? How is there no sidekick? I think we should still save config in sidekick app config. What is the right file? Oh, where is this being written to? Where is this being written to? I hate it. Maybe it's somewhere else. I actually think this should be like that. So I did look up I think you know what this means. If you go here, guys, oh, stop, what I do? Ls, and then grab sidekick. Nothing. Okay, then we can search the whole thing. Grab sidekick. Yeah, it's probably not a good idea. Okay, forget about this, it doesn't matter. What I need to do now is go into test app, and then I need to touch it. Then I hate this. Oh, okay, cool. And then get ignored here. I mean, like, make sure it's getting ignored as if it were in the proper. And then what I need to do is visit the public next. Public next thing is low side. That's fine. I should do it. Now we have to Docker file detected local file. So we have to do the same thing here. The process local file. I think we put the local file. So let's finish this here. And then if the time exists, then the stupid stuff is going to say loading we don't need this. If it's not there, then do anything. That should be cool. And then we need to read the file. No, it's fine. It should be okay. Yeah, let's read the file. And then we have to loop over it. It's nothing similar. Read the file. So this is read the file. Stop making this thing and then I need to loop over it. So this will give you every line. Yep. We don't want to do this anymore. Instead, we need to load this into potato. Just go like this. Let's do that. Reverse now. What's happening? What's your issue here? Undefined. What? Ah! Yeah, I write too many languages and then I hate this. Yes, I know. Yep, thank you. What do you append here? So right now, I'm actually going to load the actual values first before we do any encryption. If we do this without any encryption, yeah, let's just load the actual values first. Should we load the actual values first? And if I use subs? I have this. So the plan is to basically other process. Yes, the plan is to basically do this. No, is to basically do this. So decrypt it. I think we should do this in one go. Yeah, I think we should do this in one go. That's cool. Let's do it in one go. Let's do this in one go. Okay, what does that do? What does doing it in one go mean? We need to open encryption right away. And then it means we need to write some code that will encrypt the end file, push it out first. Yeah, let's do that. So what that means is that I'm basically going to right now I have an end file here. Ugh, doesn't show, but I have it. So what I will do, yeah, let's do that for fun. Let's make an agitation, and then we can do subs encrypt. Yes, thank you. Subs encrypt A for this public A. Yeah, and then instead of that, I think it should work out of the box. Let's see. And then call this the end dot encrypted. Encrypted. Okay. And then what we could do, let's basically paste that on. Let me see. I think that worked. I think that worked. I don't know. Let's see. Keys are here. Okay. Yes, it's there. Okay. Awesome. So I have the file here, and it's being encrypted. So I have the variable there. Now, the idea, so now I have the variable. I can do this swaps. But I remember we had to do. Yeah. This is gonna fail, but that's fine. Oops. I thought Algae works with files. Let's see the important information and types. Sops uses the file extension with the storage encryption method to use on the file. Files are treated as traceable. The keys are restricted in the files only encrypt the leaf values. The structure is used to therefore, the file is encrypted to the easiest way to achieve this is to conserve the original file extension. Right, if you want to change the file extension of the file, also we need to pass that from the input type. We need to provide swaps with the input type. We need to provide swaps with the input type. So that's dash input. Really? think I have a better idea than this terrible things I'm trying to do. Let's do this. Env dot encrypted. Env dot encrypted. Move it to. You know what? Move it to encrypted. Yeah, Salam. Yeah, salam. Genius. Let's do it again. Yeah, right. Yep, that's right. And then socks. Then let's get stuff, please. Ugh. Is that end? I think so. Don't know. I think so. Um, failed. Yes. Love you. Thanks. So this is good, and the reason why this is good is because I know how to solve this. Because I've been through this before when I did the POC for this way. So I know that I have to export a new environment variable to tell SOPs where the key is, and that environment variable is called, yes, this one. So all I need to do is, yes, here we go, it's already there, my friend. Okay, cool, let's do it again. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, cool. Let's go. Okay, that's a lot of work, but we could do it. That's a lot of work, but we could do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. There's a couple of things we need to plan first. Okay. Let's do this in the worst way possible first, and then we can make it better. You know? I really hate this rsync. We have to do it again. I really hate this rsync. I sincerely hate this rsync so much. Let's do it again. I really hate this rsync. I don't know another way to do it, and I absolutely hate it. So now I'm going to send also two more files. First file is keys.txt. Because that file must be here, right? Yes, keys.txt. That's fine. So that's the first file. Okay, I will stop tapping my feet. Why is he being angry? Um, I will figure it out. So let's call this keys sync, because I am terrible at naming things. Keys sync, right. And then copy this, and paste it again, do another poo-poo, and then yeah, and then change this to encrypt sync. Again, I will say this again, I absolutely hate doing this. Encrypt sync. Encrypted, so that will send the keys, and will also send the encrypted. Okay, cool. Now, when you are here, my man, what you need to do is basically what I just did. So you need to do this. So go into the folder. Let me think. You need to go into the folder and then export socks. I can't copy. I don't know what to do. There was a copy. Okay. And yes. Okay, this is terrible idea. This is a terrible idea. Okay, so first name. Oops, we need to change this into a tip. There's a way to go to the, I don't know, I don't know, what need to put this into two. Oops, and then paste this here. And then if you could, the amount of your brain, just move that a little bit. And yes, and then we are not going to do this. Yes, we have to do this. Which is, I need to install swaps. Yeah, that's fine. I need to install swaps on Agile, on Agile. Let's paste it first. And then let's keep. So go into it, export the location of the key, and then run swaps exec encrypted and local compose dash p sidekick up dash d. Yeah, this looks good to me. Cool. Now I need to make a new server, install other and install. We're going to install other, so I need to install other and install swaps. That happens in the init command. Actually, I have like stages file. Let's keep it here. Let's do that when we do this. Actually, no, that work. Let's try it. Let's try it. Docker run. Yes, thank you. Up. Get install audio. Enable to thank you very much. Up to install audio. Yeah, I think you need to do this what it is now. Update and then install stuff. So just update it for and then try this. Hey, this is lovely. Awesome. Yep, so I'm going here and then I need to also install swaps. No, come on. Did I do this? Alright, go lag. No, I didn't do this. Come on. Really? Yeah. Are you serious? Dang. I mean, thank you. Dang. I mean, thank you, but dang. I mean, thank you, but dang. That actually sucks. I really don't like it when my installation is such an asshole. Yeah. I mean, I guess right now it's hassle to install Sidekick. So, at least we have a beautiful thing that's what to do it. So we can be a monkey. Copy and paste things, which is awesome. And I think you could do that with upget to. That's what I want to say. So it's actually so it's I know. Error. A and D. That's fine. Yeah, it should be fine. I don't have the command word. It should be fine. I think it should be fine. Let's see what happens there. And then just delete this. I think that should be it. Now go back to um, we need to go to no, we don't need to do anything. That should do. We got and that will do this, and that will do this. The only part that's missing now is actually generating the key on the server, which we don't do that. I think it should work. But what would be now? I'm always wrong about this stuff, so it's fine. Okay, now what? We got this. We need a new server. 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 Do 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 do. I mean, that's music in my head. Maybe this stuff is listening. I'm not saying. That's some Arabic. That's some Arabic. How about? Nice. Yeah, some Arabic. Some Arabic. I'm not saying. Hold on. That's what my. Let's see. Let's go.
Git repository, and you will put
Cool. All right, what are we doing? Cool. So go. Here's another one. Now, before I do the same mistake from before, we just go and install dot. Let's do this. What are we doing? 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 Go here. Let's make sure we have the encrypted and we have the keys. We have a Docker file. Okay. Let's do this again. Sidekick init. This VPS, yeah. It's Musa. Yes, I'm good. Cool. Meanwhile, let's because I have issues. Let's clean up because I don't like to keep going with the names. Is that 3 downloads? Why is that 3 downloads? Wait, what? I don't understand. Is that really 3 downloads? No. Maybe someone is downloading. Ugh, yeah, something's wrong. Invalid archive signature. Yeah, I don't know why, but installing stuff sometimes on Linux is just driving me nuts. For example, this is I've tried multiple ways of installing Docker, and this is how you do it. Where did it go? This is how you do it. Like, why? And I saw some people just installing Docker Compose. I don't know. I'll try that at some point, but so far, this is how you do it. Like, and this is from the docs, man. Like, I didn't invent this. Like, if you go Docker install, here we go. This is just how to install it here. This is it. This is how you do it. And then you do this, and then you just run hello world. Like, why? I understand that you have to add it and all that stuff, but how come Docker, one of the most, oh man, I don't know stuff. Anyway, are we in? Yeah, this is before anything else happened. So, why is, what are we getting here? Okay, so what happens if I run this? In that archive signature could not be code control, could not be parsed or open. Yeah, I'm not very good with Linux. I don't understand. So, show me the releases, my man. Oh, so how can we? Oh, here we go. I'm just a dummy. You can download it as a service. Container image. Verify container signature. What has changed? Yeah. This is so simple. Okay, actually, this is definitely my bad for not doing this earlier. This looks so simple. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, this is downloaded now. Let's move it. Let's go here. And then mod it, and then you can just do this. No, okay, that means it works. Okay, cool, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So let's do that. Let's not do any of that weird stuff here. Make it fine. Let's actually do that. So, have another one here. After curl is installed, save as. Thank you. And then this is AMD. I think that makes sense. And then this. I don't know why, but I have this personality trait where I kind of lose interest when I figured out the way. Like right now, I know exactly what happens, and I just trying to get it to work on the server. I just like, no, whatever. I want an AI to do this for me. Really, I sincerely want an AI to do this. Let's do this again. Oops, let's do this. Yeah. What's happening? I don't know. Um, okay, cool. So let's try that again, my friends. Sidekick in it. Yep. And let's use, yep. Yep, let's go. Let's go! Setting up your VPS. Um, nice. That means it worked. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, I actually don't know. This is Docker. Okay, yeah, it's not. We probably need to make. I forgot to. Forgot to save it. Forgot to install it. I hate myself. I hate myself. Go install first. Thank you. And then go into test. Actually, it doesn't matter. Let's click Sidekick in. Yes. Yes. Let's go.
Push those encrypted files.
Okay. Let's go. Docker done. Nice. So that went smoothly. Smoothly. Cool. Look at you go. Look at you go. Look at you go. All right. So now, when I'm in here, I should be able to do launch, and then this should work. Yeah, let's try it. We did not load anything. Wait. You should not say this. Wait. What's happening? I have. All right. I left these ones in. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do that again. FE 3000. Yep. Okay, let's see. Let's see. This is the parameter. Yeah. What do we have here? What do we have? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Today, let's see. Wow, my keyboard died. How beautiful. I love the Mac Minis, but sometimes it does this weird stuff with Bluetooth, and it's doing that right now. And I've lost connection to my Mac. And it sucks big time. I have no idea what's happening. Oh, okay. Wow. What's going on? Ah, what? Wait, what are you talking about? Okay, I don't know what happened there. Anyway, so Docker repositories, I should see a repository called FE here. No repositories in this namespace, which is ridiculous. So probably it's still being built. Yes, oh yeah, okay, cool. So that is already built. Should be here. Man, if this works out of the gate, I'll be very thrilled. I will be very thrilled. Let me see. Oh, wow, that worked. Cool. So let's give it a minute because sometime this is so this server is dead, right? Cool. So let's do that. Pray for the best. Crossing my fingers. Boom. Awesome. So the service is up. API. Hello. Woo! Let's go, dude. That is sick. Let's go. Let's go. That is absolutely sick. So for the people watching, we have just yeah. So what we did there was we basically took this file, we loaded up this file into no, we've encrypted this file. Yes, we've encrypted this file into this, and then we loaded up that encryption onto the server, and then injected it as environment variables. Now, the final part to do here is to actually run the key on the server side. So the server side, instead of copying this key, there's a text stupid stuff. So actually, you know what? I'm gonna. Hey, let's play. I love this. Let's go. So what we did now, we have your server, and then you have your deploy machine here, right? Oops. So this is your machine, and this is your VPS, right? So my idea is this, okay? So what you could do, and I actually think this is absolutely sick. When you set up your, so you run the command to set things up, right? So this is basically you saying Sidekick launch, right? And then once you run this command, I am going to run some code here, and then one of this code is basically no, how to do this? Yes, one of this code here is going to be create arg key, right? Cool. Now after that, what I want to do is I basically want to send back the public key, and that's the whole point now, right? So what we do here is we send public key back. Yes, LM. Beautiful. So you send the public key back to your machine, right? And then when you are encrypting new projects, you are encrypting for that public key, right? So you use that public key to encrypt the data. And then when you upload a new project here, so this is new project with encrypted data. Yep, new project with encrypted data. And then what we do here is we basically use the private data, use the private key, use private key to decrypt. Now, there's a couple of options here. I am going to do the simplest part right now as a POC, but I'm also thinking we should use one, let me think. We should use one key. Let me think again. We should use one secret key per project so that in case of something goes wrong, then you might lose some secrets of one project, but not multiple projects, right? So that's kind of the idea. I don't know if that would be useful because what? Because if a hacker has access to your VPS, you're screwed anyway. So I don't know if it's worth the extra effort. So I don't know if I'm going to do it. But for now, I think I also want to explain something here. For now, I think we will do this. This is very cool, actually. How do we decrypt it? So I had this is very cool as well. So what we do here, specifically in this part here, what we are actually doing is not really decrypting into an environment file. What we are doing is we are decrypt and inject into a shell with values with decrypted values as envars. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So what that means is that if somebody gets access to your VPS, only the running shell where Sidekick has run Docker Compose up has your environment variables. In other words, I'm going to show this. For example, I have I have an environment variable here called public next demo, right? Now, this environment variable is supposed to be secret environment variable. I'm going to assume it is, right? Now, if I go SSH into my VPS, let me just grab this guy. Okay, whatever. If I have VPS into this SSH, and then if I do this export, no, what am I doing? If I do this echo what? Echo public next demo. Now I get nothing. It's empty, right? And that is awesome because even if so what do you have here? What do you have here? What do you have here? We have, oh, wow. Actually, just delete that one. RM swaps. So that, thank you. If I go into the folder which is the folder that's running this project, I have the Docker Compose. I have the encrypted environment folder, encrypted environment file, and this is encrypted obviously. So let me open that and show you. So I see nothing. So I don't understand anything. Obviously, I have the keys here, which doesn't make any sense because I'm going to stop that in the next step. So obviously, I have the keys here, which I have the secret key and the public key. I'm going to stop that. Doesn't matter. But now, inside this environment, if I do this again, if I do echo again, let's do that again. Echo public next demo. Actually, you don't see anything. And that's so cool because your secrets are not in the environment anymore. They are in a separate shell that is running Docker Compose. And that is fantastic. I think that is as safe as you can get for now. If you want them any more safer, man, you got to do it yourself. I'm sorry. You got to do it yourself. Okay. So, you know what? Let me try something else. Let's just go here. And then on the root, what I want to do is run ag keygen, and then pipe the output into public text. Let me see what that looks like. And then cat public text. Wow, it's empty. What? This was just my terminal being fancy, but I thought this was pipe bubble. Wait, what happened? And then if I cat public, it's empty. Okay. So it can do anything. So with Age, I need to capture that output. This is gonna be painful. I know this is gonna be painful. I know this is going to be painful. I know this is going to be painful. I know this is going to be painful. Yeah, I had an idea. I had a. Yeah, I know this is going to be painful. Yes, I need to capture this output and send it back to my machine. And to be very honest, don't know how to do that. Don't know how to do that. Okay. Let me think. Let me think. Let me think. Let me think. Okay. Let me think. Let's do. Let's add a. Let's add another. Oh, what's happening? Okay. Okay. Understood. Let's add another one. No such file or directory. Huh? Oh, what am I doing? New config file. Ah, it's actually made already. LST. CDC. Oh, okay. It doesn't matter. Just hide it and go here. Open up. Voila. Open up this one. Okay. So now, open up this on the side. Open up launch on this side. Thank you. Copy some payload. Okay, that's a payload plane. Where is the login payload plane? So yes. Copy all the stuff. Here. All good. And then we need to run some commands. Oh, okay, this is just making stuff. I should probably refactor this because it looks disgusting. I'm not going to do that. I am not going to do that either. Yes, I'm going to do it. Oh, okay. Yes, I am going to do that. Okay. Where is that coming from? Oh, right. Okay. I absolutely hate this. That's too much code. That really is too much code. It really is too much code. Let's, okay, that is where the loading spinner is at the time. Connected it. Of course, not use your button. Now, what we want to do is, what does this one command do? Yeah, I knew this was going to be annoying. I knew it. STD out reader. We're scanning. We need to make a channel, and then this guy, it will send it. You can ignore it if you want, but if you want to read whatever command is sending, you should listen to that channel. Actually, I've done this before. I have an error channel, but that channel is inside. I don't think that should be the case. So you made a channel inside. What I want to do instead is basically send an STD out channel like that. And that is a channel. I don't remember. That is a channel for string. Yes, right. Cool. And then my man, exactly this. This is going to be std out scanner text. Yes, and then instead of this, send it to std out channel. Cool. So this will send it to the standard out channel. And then you can pass this channel where you are doing this. Ah, hold on. This channel needs to be optional because otherwise the code will go Bazinga. I don't think I know how to do that either. Equals no. I don't think that's the way. I honestly don't know how to do this. Go function variable function overloading. Yes, optional parameters. Does not have optional parameters. It support really like beautiful. This is disgusting. This is absolutely disgusting. I'm never doing that. Thing is, I don't know if it's going to complain or not. Yeah, I don't know. Let me see. I'm not going to provide it unless they'll do it. Let's just see this. Let's just see this. Let's just see. And then let's just see where outshot equals make channel of string with no buffer and then outshot. Oops. What's happening? Oh, beautiful. I need to listen. Yeah. This is not gonna be good, I think. Yeah, this you probably need that. I'm just saying. Give me some panic. Give me some panic attack. That being said, I actually want you to do this. I actually want you to do this one. Yeah, I don't know how that would work. Go run. Go run. Not enough arguments. Come on. Yeah, I knew this. So now I can. Is there any other way for me to get the output of that command? Any way for me to get the output of that command. So right now I am sending this to the error channel. And this is for the error reporting. You can have the channel happen inside, but that's not going to be, because I need to have access to that outside of. Now there is this idea. Where's this session? I think I have an idea. This might be here. Where's that session? I have a reader. I know that I have a reader. I already have access to that. Wait, I just had a brilliant idea. Why don't we make another one called a STD out channel, right? And then instead of having this as an input, this should actually return a channel, and then you can ignore it if you want to, and return the error. So let's just say if we return a channel of a string, then you can choose to omit it or whatever. Yeah. I know. Don't give me that stuff, okay? That's fine, man. We can. But I'm wondering if it's only one command. No, because it's rarely ever one command. You just do this, yes, and then you can just return nil whenever you don't want to send it back. Oh, again, same mistake, man. Same mistake twice. Your English gone? Is your English gone? Yes, and then this will be std out, std out channel. Yeah, send it to std out channel, and then for the sake of my test, just do this as well. Again, if there's any error, just return this. What the hell? The error is not error. Cool. Yeah, there is my nil. Close it. Do this. Happy days. Sleep for 500 milliseconds. Before you sleep, my man, I want you to. Actually, no, it's okay. That's fine. You can sleep. Just return. Yeah, return that channel. Right? STD out channel. Yes, that's fine. Now, this is gonna go bazinga in many places, sadly, because we have to. This, this is going to go bazinga in many places. I know. Like that. That's it. But this is definitely gonna go bazinga. I know. Where is this? Because here we go. run commands. Command. What are you doing? Ah, look at me go. Okay, it should work. Launch Go 198. Launch. Why? What? Why are you running? Okay, whatever. Oh my god. Come to the stream to not waste my money. Could you? I mean, okay, whatever. I need to fix it anyway. Yes, yes, I know, bro. I know. Stop pissing me off. Okay, okay. Yes, really good. Cool. Shit. What happened there? Yes, nice. Whew. Cool. Um, yeah, happy days. That's fine. Now, boom, boom, boom. Actually, you know what? Close this. Thank you. And then open up test here. Yes, thank you. Now, oh, okay. Let's see here. Yes. So, there is no need for all of this. What we actually need to run is Adekigen. Yes. Let's go. Log in, run it. What? I'm confused. What are you talking about? Oh my god. Ah. I understand. Yeah. This is the wrong command. Keys, text. What? 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 Wait, what? Uh, okay, I'm confused. I'm confused. I'm getting tired too. I'll just wrap it up. Okay, I'll be back. Thanks, everyone.